Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add attribute table and lock item property in your layout map. So it is very important if you want to add and lock item property. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our add attribute table symbol. We select it and we drag first corner to last corner and double click. Our attribute table is here. You see here, and if you want to change it, you go to item property, and if you want to manage cell size, you select here cell manage, and we adjust as per your requirement. We adjust 1.40 mm, and if you want to display header, you select here all feature. So here is header with table, and if you hide header, you click no header. You see here your header is hide. And if you want to change background color, you select here background color. We select it. Our background color change. If you want to table line color, you select here show grid, and you select here color and width as per your requirement. Our table draw, you see here your table draw, and your attribute table is complete. And if you want to lock your table, you see here items, and you see here lock. You click here lock. You see here your table lock not move. And if you want to move table, you move as per adjust, and you lock it. Your table is locked. Same as if you want to lock map, you see here move map. But if you want to lock it, so you lock it and map not move anywhere. So our attribute table and lock item property in layout manager is complete successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.